Jai Hind students, my name is Atmaram and in this video we will learn multiplying by doubling. So in that the first question we will take double the 7 times table to find these products. The first sum is 4 into 14. So here we will use 7's table to find the product. So half of 14 is 7. This method is used to find the answer of multiplication mentally. If you don't know the table of 14, then you can use table of 7 as 7 is half of 14. So here we will write half of 14 equals to 7. 4 into 7. Now we will find 4 into 7. Instead of 14, we will take 7. 4 sevens are 28. We got 4 into 7 equals to 28. So as we have done half of 14, so now here to find the answer 4 into 14, we have to double the answer. So double of 28 is equals to find the double of 28, we will add 28 two times. So 28 plus 28, 56. Remember, we added 28 two times and the answer is 56. So here we can say 4 into 14 equals to 56. Let's solve one more sum to understand this. 5 into 14. So here we will take half of 14. Half of 14 equals to 7. Now instead of 14, use 7. So therefore 5 into 7 equals to 35. Now to get our answer, let's double this answer. So double of 35. To find the double of 35, add 35 two times. 35 plus 35. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 3 plus 3, 7. So double of 35 is 70. So therefore the answer is, we can write, so double of 35 is 70. So 5 into 14 equals to 70. So remember, first we have to do half of one number and then we have to do multiplication, and of that multiplication we have to find the double. That will be our final answer. Let's solve one more question of the same. Double the 9 times product, double the 9 times table to find these products. In that the first sum is 3 into 18. So here first we will do half of 18. Half of 18 equals to 9. So now instead of 18 we will use 9. So therefore 3 into 9 equals to 27. Now do double of the answer to get our final answer. So double of 27 equals to 27 plus 27, 54. So therefore we can say our final answer is 3 into 18 equals to 54. Let's solve one more sum of the same. 6 into 18. So again the first step is do half of 18 equals to 9. Now instead of 18 use 9. So therefore we can say 6 into 9 equals to 54. Now do the double of the answer. So double of 54. To find the double of 54, add 54 two times. 54 plus 54. 4 plus 4 8 and 5 plus 5 10. So 108. So double of 54 is 108. So here we can say the answer is 6 into 18 equals to 108. So remember here, first we have to do half of one number, and after getting that answer we have to double the answer to find the final answer. Thank you for watching.